Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Friday, the 3rd of February. All right, looking at yesterday's news, we had quite a bit come out from the UK. We had the monetary policy report. The official bank rate was not unanimous. It was a 7.02, and the decision was to raise rates by 50 basis points, so 0.5%, up to 4%, which is the cash rate now in the UK. In Europe, also, the interest rates increased by 0.5%, moving up to 3%. One thing is clear from yesterday's monetary policy and news releases was that the GBP and the euro are diverging, or they're moving in different paths, with the GBP both from the press releases and the news forecasts. The bank is laying the groundwork to end the current tightening cycle. So they're signaling that the increase of rates is coming towards an end, and they're even saying that in the future ones, they're looking at lower rates of 25 basis points. For the euro, it's not the case. They're still signaling that the next rate rise for the next meeting will probably be 50 basis points, and they will continue on this path until they rein in their inflation. So there you go. That's what's happened yesterday. So let's move along. Incidentally, yesterday, as a result of that data, US dollar was the biggest winner for the session, making ground against both the pound and the euro, and inclusive our own Aussie dollar. All right, moving on to that chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning is our ASX 200. It is a little bit blurry, this chart, because I've had to zoom right out to catch all the points that I was interested in. We can clearly see that the market has come up to that 7,600 level on 3 occasions already, and it has shot back down. We are approaching it again. This trade is not quite ready right now, but this was the best chart that I could find. What I want to see happen is the market move in towards this hot zone that I've marked out, give me some kind of a reversal pattern to arise, and then I would become a seller in this particular market. Okay, pretty straightforward, this one this morning. ASX 200 daily time zone is our chart of the day. All right, so what's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? Well, of course, it is the big one. It is non-farm payroll job numbers, the average hourly earnings, the employment change, and the unemployment rate, all due out after midnight at 12:30. If you have not traded the markets before and you are new, what I suggest is possibly just to, if you're up, have a look at how the market moves just before the release. Log into a demo account and just have a look at the price action, just so that you get some experience. So this is probably the most highly impacting news data for the calendar month. So that happens at 12:30, and then at 2 a.m. from the US, we also have the ISM Services PMI number. That pretty much wraps up for today, wraps up the week for us, which has been a very big week in data. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.